guys, it's Olivia River Sampson. I just want to show you what I found at this market that we went to. All the vegan options, it's amazing. So we have all these vegan milks. It's just great. I'm so excited. And then we have a whole vegan cheese case. We have Daiya and Miyoko's Creamery. You can find these at like Whole Foods or maybe some other place. And there's Chow Cheese, Kite Hill, Follow Your Heart, Daiya, and surprise, surprise, a whole vegan meat section. Isn't that great? And just as I talked about in my bacon video, we have Smart Bacon.